Zime emthumeni kungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana njengoba kunezingqinamba zemali enkampanini i-Eskom. UGodongwana uthi imizamo yokukhulula inkampani yogesi ekutheni ingachazi mayelana nendlela esebenzisa ngayo imali bekungeyona indlela yokucasha.
By tomorrow we'll have a gazette withdrawing the current one. That I can confirm. The other confirmation I want to do is that we definitely come back. It would be then, I would advise Honorable George not to go to court, to give us a submission of how to make this balance which I've said, achieve this fiscal sustainability we're talking about, and Eskom's balance sheet.
Kodwa amalungu eParliamente akhale kakhulu ngokuthi uNgqongqoshe azange abonisane neParliamente ekuqaleni.
The nature of Eskom currently does not warrant this. The timing is wrong. It seeks to suggest that we are hell-bent to hide and protect those that are corrupt.
We cannot be part of creating such a precedence. It's wrong, it's criminal, it's against the law.
Now, everybody's looking at Eskom and saying, well, you know, you want to hide stuff. So clearly there's a big problem. So what is that big problem? So that already puts people off. The rating agencies, I'm sure, would have an even closer look now than before. So it's like waving as red flag.